In our day-to-day life, we can sometimes forget where we have kept our phone or watch when we are in a hurry. Thankfully, the Amazfit GTR 4 comes with Find My Phone and Find My Watch feature. Using the former helps in locating your phone and Find My Watch helps in finding the watch. If you want to know more, you can check my Amazfit GTR 4 Find My Phone video using the I button. Coming back to Find My Watch feature available on Amazfit GTR 4. You can access it by opening the Zepp app, tapping on Profile, and now open the Amazfit GTR 4 device page. Here, scroll below and look for Find My Watch option. Tap on the option and with this, your Amazfit GTR 4 will start vibrating. One thing to note here is that the watch needs to be in the Bluetooth range for this feature to work. If your smartwatch is out of range, then it won't work. So guys, that's how you find the lost Amazfit GTR 4 watch. Hopefully you found the video useful, and if you did, then don't forget to press that like and subscribe button. With that, it's time to say goodbye. See you here next time.